How to delete permanent your Instagram account in without password. So open the Instagram applications, then click on the profile icon, and you will see option like three lines, and scroll down and click on the account center, and click on the personal detail, and you will see options like account ownership and control. So deactivate or deletion account option here, so click on it and choose the Instagram, and continue option here, and deactivate account and delete account. So choose now and enter your password, and you know password, so click on the forget password and forget now, and like send your email and phone number code and reset password and enter now and delete your account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.